The bones of the skull are demarcated by sutures. The sutures between the bones of the calvaria begin to become obliterated between the ages of 30 to 40 from the inside out. Identify the following major sutures. The coronal suture, which separates the frontal bone from the two parietal bones and runs over the top of the calvaria. The sagittal suture, which separates the two parietal bones, posteriorly the lambdoid suture, which separates the occipital bone from the parietal and temporal bones, and laterally the squamous suture, which separates the parietal bone from the temporal bone and the sphenoid bone from both the temporal bone and the parietal bone. Identify the area where the coronal suture meets the squamous and sphenoid sutures. This is called the pterion, which is the weakest part of the skull and is where branches of the middle meningeal artery lie in grooves on the internal surface of the skull. Find the point where the coronal and sagittal sutures meet. This is called the bregma.